My friend, today I am going to start quadratic equation practice set 2.2. 2.2 having the question solve the equation by factorization method. Means here factorization method is most important point. How to find the factors of quadratic function or quadratic equation. The type of quadratic function. See here ax square plus bx equal to 0. Second, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and x square minus 9 equal to 0. First, this equation ax square plus bx equal to 0. Then we can find here two terms. Quadratic term means square term and second is variable term. Then we can take common means ax square plus bx equal to 0. X is common. Then here even factors are ax plus b equal to 0. Now here we get two linear factors. Then use property x equal to 0 or ax plus b equal to 0. If the product of two factors is equal to 0 means at least one factor is always 0. Then x equal to 0 or ax plus b equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0 or ax equal to minus b. Therefore x equal to 0 or x equal to minus b by a. Means जर ax square plus bx equal to 0 या टाइपची फंक्शन असेल तर तुम्ही त्याला या टाइपने फॅक्टरायझेशन करून तुम्ही त्याचे रूट्स फाइंड आउट करू शकता. सेकंड थिंग ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here function or equation having three terms. Then here this form we can solve after x square minus 9 equal to 0. This type is both terms are perfect square term and same time minus sign between them. Then we can solve by using a square minus b square equal to a minus b a plus b in this form. See here a square minus b square are both perfect square term. Then first factor is the square root of both term and second bracket is the square root of both term. First having minus sign, second is plus. Plus minus may be replacement. See here. Then here x square minus 9 equal to 0. We can solve same form. The square root of x square is x minus square root of 9 is 3 and second is x plus 3 equal to 0. Both are linear factors. Then use property x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 3. Then we can write the root of given quadratic equation is x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 3. अशा टाइपने तुम्ही quadratic equation solve करू शकता. Now our most important point is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and this type having 5 subtypes. X square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. What is the difference between each type? Just in second. Here last term having plus sign, here minus sign. Again here minus sign and last is plus. And fifth type having the coefficient of x square that is not equal to 1. या प्रकारचे 5 आपल्याला वेगवेगळे छोटे प्रकार आहेत. आता समजावून घेऊया याच्यामध्ये काय बेसिक कन्सेप्ट आहे. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. याच टाइपची मॅक्सिमम एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला दिली जातात, त्यामुळे ते तुम्हाला आलंच पाहिजे हे लक्षात घ्या. एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 6x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. सी हियर फर्स्ट ऑब्झर्व the sign of last term. Here last term having plus sign means positive sign. Then find the factors of last term. See here very important point. Find the factor of last term is sum of the middle term. Means here find the factor of last term. 5 ones are 5 and sum of them equal to 6. Means here separation of middle term is x square plus 5x plus x plus 5 equal to 0. But in second point, x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Here last term having negative sign. Then here find the factor of last term. Here just in triangle, find the factor of last term whose subtraction is middle term. When having negative sign, then require subtraction, and last term having positive sign, then require addition. See here, means here 6 ones are 6. The difference between them is 5. Means this pair is correct pair. Either it is 3 into 2 are factor of 6, but sum of them is 5 and different is 1, but here required different is 5. Therefore 6 and 1 is correct pair for this equation. Now here sign, here middle term having minus sign, then large factor is minus and other is plus. Means we can arrange the terms x square minus 6x plus x minus 6 equal to 0. See here, next point, x square plus 5x means the pair are depend on the sign of last term. See here, next x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Last term having negative sign, then required factor of 6, the difference between them is 5. Means here 6 ones are 6. Again here positive sign, then large number having positive and other is negative, then we can express x square plus 6x minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Second last, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Again here last term having positive sign. Actually terms are equal, x square, here x square, 5x, 6. Numbers and coefficients are same but signs are different. Then effect on factor. See here, last term positive. Therefore find the factor of last term whose addition middle term. Means here 3 into 2. Middle term having negative sign, both are minus. Factor same, numbers same आहे, but effect of sign, त्या साइनचा त्याच्यावरती इफेक्ट होणार आहे. Which pair is correct for particular equation? We can see or we can observe last term, then we can find correct pair for this particular equation. Now last point, if the square term having the coefficient who is not equal to 1, means here coefficient of x square is 2, that is not equal to 1, means first to find the factor of this equation, first multiply coefficient of x square and last term means constant term, multiplication. We get 36. Last term having negative sign. Then find the factor of 36 whose subtraction is 5. Then 9 into 5. Sorry, 9 into 4. 9 and 4 having difference is 5. Means that is correct pair. But here plus 9 and minus 4. We can express this factor 2x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 18 equal to 0. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हे व्यवस्थितपणे अंडरस्टँड करून घ्या की लास्ट टर्म जे साइन असेल त्याचा काय इफेक्ट होतो. हे जर व्यवस्थित समजावून घेतलं तर तुम्हाला फॅक्टरायझेशन मध्ये कन्फ्युजन राहणार नाही आणि कॉन्फिडेंटली तुम्ही हे फॅक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करू शकता. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व example from 2.2. Your first example is x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. See here last term having positive sign means find the factor of 54 whose addition 15. Guess first. 54. 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54 and sum of the 9 plus 6 equal to 15. Means here correct term or correct pair is 9 and 6. We can express x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 equal to 0. Create two parts. First two terms and next two terms. First two terms having common factor x. Then their factor is x minus 9. Minus. Here generally most of the students take silly mistake. Then here minus. Take common 6 in bracket x minus 9 equal to 0. X minus 9, x minus 6 equal to 0 means both terms having x minus 9. Then we can take common x minus 9. Then other terms are x minus 6 or other factors are x minus 6. Therefore, this is linear factor. Then we can express x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 9 or x equal to 6. Therefore, the root of the given quadratic equation is x equal to 9 and x equal to 6. या टाइपने तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करू शकता. अदर एक्झाम्पल ट्राय करा. यामधील कोणते एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला क्रिटिकल असेल तर तुम्ही कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये टाइप करा. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. रणपीसे क्लास. यश हमकास.